How to find Trendyol discount or coupon codes. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can get the coupon or discount codes on Trendyol. For that, open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for Trendyol discount/coupon codes. Once you search for it, you'll find different sites that offers Trendyol's coupons and promo codes. You want to go ahead and tap on to it to open it up, and just like so, you can go ahead and try different kind of sites that offers the discount. And just like that, inside here, you'll then be able to find different coupon codes. If you would like to use them, you want to go ahead and tap on copy code, and then inside the Trendyol application, in the checkout section, you can go ahead and simply use the copy code to get flat 60% off. And just like so, in the next page, you will then be able to find different kind of offers, 20% off, 50% off. You want to go ahead and simply tap on show code and then copy the promo code in order to use it. And just like that, you'll then be able to find the Trendyol coupon codes or discount codes. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.